Now we're going to cut the fringe. So we're going to take one of these and we're going to set it off to the side. We're going to need to turn your cutting board. If you have a cutting mat, a large cutting mat, you won't need to do this step. But I use one to measure the fringe as we cut, and I use one for a straight edge. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your edges are lined up. We're going to cut this double thickness because I found that that's the easiest way to do this, and it actually cuts down a lot on time. And then the first thing you need to do is cut off the selvage edge. So use your rotary cutter and just cut that off and set it aside. And then we're going to follow the marks on your cutting mat or cutting board for 1/2 inch, and then just cut a 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch strips all the way across. It's not super important if they're the same exact width, because again, I like the variety in the fringe is kind of fun, but it is important that you stick as close to a 1/2 inch as possible, because any bigger than that and it becomes really hard to pull the fringe through the holes. There we go.